Love your skin and want to make it flawless and fresh? Yes, I know everyone wants to make his/her skin fresh, and remove spots and dullness from their skin. Glowing and healthy skin is a dream of every person. You can get clear, healthy, and beautiful skin by taking care of it because, without proper care and treatment, your skin will be worse day by day. To get clear skin, you should follow some steps. It would be best if you take a proper diet full of nutrition. It will help you out to get healthy skin. Also, increase the intake of water, so make it your habit to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Along with this, you can try some DIY packs, which is very good for your skin, and I'm going to share with you the best DIY face pack for glowing skin. But before using this face pack, must read this full post, because I'm going to provide you a detailed guide about it according to your skin. I know some people have sensitive skin, so I'll tell you the proper solution. Ingredients of best DIY face pack for glowing skin. This face pack will give you a glowing and fair skin. To make this face pack, you must have the ingredients: gram flour, 3 teaspoons, rosewater, few drops. Turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Milk, 3 to 4 teaspoons. Lemon, few drops. Cream, if you have dry skin. Application of best DIY face pack for glowing skin. So the question is how to make this face pack? Don't worry, and it's really very easy. Just take all the ingredients in a bowl, and mix it very well, and you will see it as a soft paste. And please keep in mind before applying this paste, clean your face properly, and then use this mixture on your clean face and leave it for 20 minutes. Now what you will see on your face after 20 minutes, I'm sure it would be surprising. Okay, now what's the next step? Whenever it will dry, do massage with your wet hands in a circular and slow motion, not so hard. After massaging 3 to 4 minutes, wash your face with normal water, and see your skin is glowing and fresh. I'm really enjoying telling you this best DIY face pack for glowing skin, and I know you will also enjoy this when you use it. Okay, please just follow the following instructions for some type of skins. Essential points for different skin tones. For sensitive skin, you can use it as it is, but notice one thing: if your skin is sensitive and acne prone, please don't use lemon because it can affect your skin. For dry skin, use as I've mentioned above, but if your skin is dry, then add cream to moisturize your skin. I'm sure this pack will give you a fair, flawless, and glowing skin. Use this best DIY face pack for glowing skin twice a week. And for more useful tips, subscribe and visit our website secretbehindwords.com.